Hello guys and welcome to Simplifying Electronics. In today's tutorial, we will set up the programming terminal for embedded C programming since we have already developed some familiarity pertaining to C programming language. There is a portal which goes by the name Cocalc, which will be our editor for C programming. So let us navigate to the website. This is the portal of Cocalc. Here we will get sort of an emulator for Linux operating system. I will leave the link to this portal in the description and in the pinned comments. We will have to scroll down and click on Try Cocalc now, and on the next page click on Use Cocalc anonymously. Then click on Projects, which will open a new tab where we will be able to make our own C programming projects. Here just give a name of a new project, let us say Embedded C Programming, and a new project by this name will get created. Click on this down arrow and select .term to open a Linux terminal. You will have to give a name to this terminal as well. Let us give the name Embedded C Programming only. This is the Linux terminal and we can see the name of the compiler is shown here, which we gave in the previous step. This is the area where we will write our code. Before going forward, just keep in mind that you are in an emulator of Linux operating system, which means that this terminal is imitating or behaving like a Linux operating system. Since we are inside an operating system, we are a user of this OS, and the dollar symbol signifies that we or the current user is a regular user and not the administrator. If we would have been an administrator, then instead of this dollar symbol, there would have been a hash symbol, which signifies that the current user is an administrator of the system. Now the symbol tilde prior to the dollar symbol signifies that we are in the root directory. So now we are all set to learn some commands which will be extensively used in our tutorials. The first command is PWD, which means present working directory. This will give us the name of the present directory in which we are working. We can see that presently we are in the folder named user, which is located in the folder named home. The next command is cd space .. What it does is that it takes us one step upwards in the directory. So let us say we are in home/user and we want to go to home, which is one step upwards. Then in order to do that, we will type cd space .. and hit enter, and we will reach the home folder. Let us type cd .. once again and hit enter. We can see that instead of tilde symbol, now there is a slash symbol, which means that there is nothing about this directory. Now next command is ls, which lists the name of all the files in the present directory. If we type it and hit enter, we can see that there are a lot of files in this directory. Let us now make a C file in a particular directory. For that, we will have to navigate to the directory first. Let us first go to home folder. To do that, simply type cd space home. To again get a list of files in the home folder, type ls again. We can see that there is a folder named user. Let us type cd space user to go to this folder. To check whether we are in the intended directory or not, let us type pwd once again. So it says that we are in home/user. Here we will make a new file or directory named simplifyingelectronics.c, and to do that we have a command by the name mkdir, which is short for make directory. To launch a C file in Linux OS with its native app, we will have to use command vi space simplifyingelectronics.c, and we can see that the C file has launched. We will write our program in this file in the next tutorials. For now, we will close this C file. To do that, press Shift plus colon, and we can see that the symbol colon is appearing on the bottom left of the screen. Now if we press Q and hit enter, then it will exit this file without saving any changes. In order to save the contents as well, press W followed by Q and hit enter. So guys, this was the tutorial for Linux terminal. There is also an app on Microsoft Store for Linux emulator which goes by the name Ubuntu. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if you found this video helpful. Leave a comment if you have any query regarding the topic. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others.